Hello and welcome to Vision Plus Academy. Dear aspirants, let us study today World University Ranking is done by British organization Cochrane-Simons. There are only 3 Indian institutions among the top 200 universities of the world. Let us see them. But before starting, अगर आप हमारी वीडियोस को पहली बार देख रहे हैं, then please subscribe the Vision Plus Academy channel for future lectures and also put your valuable comments regarding the presentation. Let us start the topic. Why this question is very important for UPSC, NET and JRF? It is because 17th edition or report about ranking of 1000 world's top universities has been released by Cochrane-Simons for the year 2021. राइट कॉकरेली-साइमंड को 2010 से पहले टाइम्स हायर एजुकेशन कॉकरेली-साइमंड वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्सिटी रैंकिंग्स के नाम से जानते थे. हाउएवर इट इज नेम वाज चेंज्ड इन 2010 एज कॉकरेली-साइमंड्स. कॉकरेली-साइमंड्स एक ब्रिटिश कंपनी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है दैट रैंक्स वर्ल्ड्स 1000 टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ 6 पैरामीटर्स. लेट अस सी देम इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Cochrane-Simons is the only international ranking organization जिसको IREG that is International Ranking Expert Group पे अप्रूवल मिल चुका है. It ranks world's top most 1000 universities on the basis of 6 indicators or parameters. These are academic reputation, employer reputation, faculty student ratio, citations per faculty, international faculty ratio, international student ratio. If we look at the IGNOU University that has been established in 1985, it has comparatively gargantuan international student ratio as compared to other institutions in India. Right. Let us see performance of the Indian institutions for the year 2021. There are 3 Indian institutes who found their places among the top 200 institutions of the world according to their ranks. It is IIT Bombay जिसकी रैंक है 172, followed by इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस जिसका हेडक्वार्टर बेंगलोर में है और जिसकी रैंक है 185, एंड फॉलोड बाय इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी दिल्ली जिसकी रैंक है 193. However, the ranks of all the 3 institutions who found their places among the top 200 institutions of the world have dropped as compared to the ranks they have in the last year, that is in 2020. In the last year, that was 2019 to 2020, there were 24 Indian higher education institutions who found their places among the world's top 1000 institutions. However, in 2021, there are only 21 Indian higher education institutions who found their places among the world's top 1000 institutions. And of these 21 Indian institutions, the ranks of 14 have fallen. However, the ranks of other 4 institutions have improved to some extent in the year 2021. The next point is, if we try to make a comparison between Indian higher educational institutions with their global competitors or global institutions, the academic standing, teaching capacity and levels of internationalization of the Indian higher educational institutions have decreased over some years. However, Indian higher educational institutions perform very strongly and very well in the research quality as compared to their global competitors. This is very valid and very strong point. Let us see what are the main reasons for the poor performance of Indian institutions for the year 2021 according to Cochrane-Simons. There are 2 main reasons for the Indian higher education institutions for their lower performance. Number 1, Indian higher education institutions got 0 score on the ratio of international faculty and students. Number 2, India also got very less score on faculty student ratio. Why India have very less faculty student ratio? It is because in India, full-time faculty members are only counted, whereas in American universities, PhD students or PhD holders who are teaching or who are research assistants are counted as faculty members. That means the faculty student ratio in America is considered to be very large as compared to faculty student ratio in India. Next point, what should India do now? The Indian government has already established a committee to recommend the government of India how to improve the view or perception of the Indian higher educational institutions abroad. I mean at the international level. The Indian government should also now launch a campaign that should be similar to the Incredible India to change perception or view of the Indian higher educational institutions abroad or at the international level. Now let us see important questions that are supposed to be asked in both UPSC and in NET JRF. Number 1. What are the 6 indicators used by Cochrane-Simmonds for the classification of 1000 global institutions? If you go back to the video, you will see the 6 indicators, right? Next question. In which parameter India has secured 0? It was international faculty and international student ratio, where India has achieved 0 score. Next question. Total number of institutions in top 200. It was 3. IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay and Indian Institute of Science Bangalore. And among 1000 there were 21 institutions. Okay. Comparison with 2020 rankings. You know that the rankings or positions of Indian institutions in 2021 has decreased as compared to the rankings they have in 2020. Okay. इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑफ इमिनेंस स्कीम कब लॉन्च हो गई है, आप ये कमेंट में लिख दीजिएगा. इसके रिलेटेड मैं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स बताने वाला हूं. नंबर 1, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट ने रिसेंटली 6 इंस्टीट्यूशंस को ग्रांट किया था इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑफ इमिनेंस स्टेटस, जिसमें से 3 इंस्टीट्यूशंस आर प्राइवेट एंड 3 इंस्टीट्यूशंस आर गवर्नमेंट. द गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस आर IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi and Indian Institute of Science Bangalore. The private 3 institutions are British Pilani, Manipal University and Geo University that is yet to open. Hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर लगा then please subscribe the Vision Plus Academy for future lectures and also hit the bell icon, like button and share the video because sharing is caring. Thank you very much.